I wet my hair thoroughly. I wet my hair thoroughly. I apply a small amount of shampoo. I apply a small amount of shampoo. I massage the shampoo into my scalp. I massage the shampoo into my scalp. I spread the shampoo through my hair. I spread the shampoo through my hair. I rinse my hair with warm water. I rinse my hair with warm water. I repeat the shampooing if necessary. I repeat the shampooing if necessary. I wring out excess water from my hair. I wring out excess water from my hair. I apply conditioner to the ends of my hair. I apply conditioner to the ends of my hair. I leave the conditioner in for a few minutes. I leave the conditioner in for a few minutes. I comb through my hair with my fingers. I comb through my hair with my fingers. I rinse the conditioner out with cool water. I rinse the conditioner out with cool water. I gently towel dry my hair. I gently towel dry my hair. I detangle my hair with a wide-toothed comb. I detangle my hair with a wide-toothed comb. I let my hair air dry. I let my hair air dry. I style my hair as desired. I style my hair as desired.